Hello everyone, this is Harry again from Haplast and today I will introduce you about clear garment bags for storage and shipping. Our clear garment bags are perfect for displaying and protecting clothes and fancy dress from dirt and dust. As you can see here, the bags have a peel and seal stripe, which is resealable. You can just peel it. If you require, safety warning notice will be printed on the bag in your language or multiple languages. And the bag has punched holes to prevent suffocation here. You can see the hole here. The bags are crystal clear and allows for scanning barcodes that are inside. And you are assured that our garment bags are made from high quality materials that will not tear easily even if you mistakenly put an item with sharp corners in the bag. This is really ideal for protecting clothing during removals and storage. So if you are interested in this product, please contact us, or you can see more our product by visiting the website haplast.com.vn. Thank you very much for watching.